Good morning, guys. Just a little quick short video. I'm gonna take you around the house a little bit, see what's been going on, and try to go find Har. I'm not real sure what she's doing, but I'm sure she's doing something outside. Let's go. And I found her. Oh my gosh, look at those fingers. She's all muddy.
I will just carry the trash there, so when it's time for us to go to town, we'll bring it and carry it away. Okay?
Oh, yeah, let me show us what you've been doing.
Okay.
Come on, you show us. Come on. Let's go. Well, she was going to show us what she's doing, but now she's just doing it. This is what she always does. If she sees something in the yard, she starts pulling them. If there are any weeds going, they're going. In the meantime, let's go over here and look at some flowers. This thing's been blooming and really growing a lot. And you can see up at the top, it's going to have a lot. I don't know if you can see those buds or not, but there's going to be a lot of flowers up there. And my little powder puff tree is doing good. The bananas. Not quite ready, but they're getting bigger and bigger.
I feel something. Okay, I will keep this banana heart.
Banana heart keeps falling. Can you eat that? A banana heart. Can you eat that?
Yes.
You can?
Yeah.
It's good?
Yes.
You've done it before?
Yes.
What's it taste like?
It's good. It's yummy.
Huh. Got another new little banana tree coming up. Lanzone and rambutan over here are just doing no good at all. But I can't say the same about the papayas. We started with this one papaya tree, and now look over here. And we didn't plant these. These just decided to come up, and they got lots of papayas on them.
And look at my garden.
Yeah, this is what she's been doing in here. She's been working on her garden. Another little papaya tree coming up. She's been trimming the banana trees, and let's go around the other side where we can see a little bit better. More papaya trees. Another papaya. These are just coming up wild in the yard. They're doing really good.
Is that wild?
What?
The papaya is not wild.
You planted these?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Oh, okay, she planted these. I guess she wanted some shade for the garden, I guess. How's the calamansi doing? Well, there's two of them.
Yeah, growing.
Maybe they'll grow, and we've got 3 pineapples that are doing pretty good right there.
My pineapple.
Yeah. And these are peppers. And these are malunggay, and I eat those almost every morning with my eggs.
But I got some branches. And look at
And this is the dwarf coconut. And this, guys, I don't understand. Let me come back here a little ways. All right, you can see the size of that coconut right there. It's growing in between everything else. That was planted the exact same day as that coconut right there. And that one's not doing anything. Well, it's doing something, but it's really slow. But compared to this one that's way up there, and you can see how big the trunk is on it, it's growing so much better. Now these are Lanzone seeds that are coming off of our tree that we thought were gonna be a whole lot of fruit, but it's just falling. And I'll show you, we'll zoom in on a couple of these. You can see those right there. Those are how Lanzones grow.
And these are all gone.
And they're just ended up being stripped down to nothing because they're falling. And we don't know for sure whether that's normal. Some people say that the tree will only have as much fruit as it can support. But as I look further and further up in there, there's a lot more of them up in there, but they're higher up. So we'll see. A couple of months, we should have Lanzones on this tree if it's gonna support life. Right?
Yes, I'm so sad.
I know you are. You were thinking, gosh, we're gonna have so many Lanzones to eat, and you were gonna load them up in the back of the truck and sell them?
Because you drink it. You said that we will sell it there. Outside.
And you wanted to put them in the truck and go sell them. That's what you said, so you jinxed them.
You should not say something about it.
That's true.
Yeah. You should give it to people.
Somewhere in here we got kitties, and they're getting bigger. And there's the mama cat with the kitties. We got 4 this time. Yellow, black, orange and black and white. One's gonna look pretty much like its mama. Head out and leave them alone. And then back here, all of her plants are really doing well. We're growing up good. I was gonna put my chicken coop back here and have some chickens for some eggs, but I don't know that this is a spot for them now or not, because she's decided to grow stuff. This used to be a rambutan tree, and I need to cut it all down because its root system was going to affect everything that we got back here, so we had to kill it off. And then the front yard, you can see the new, she's sneaking up on me from the other direction. Ready? All right. That's our new carport, and it's working out great. And all the flowers out in the front around the boulder that we kept is doing good. Her garden is doing really well. Throughout the whole yard, everything's growing good. Let's go around the other side. This is just dill. We cut it and just stick it in the ground and it grows. We haven't used the dill yet for much of anything other than just letting it grow. I'm gonna find a good recipe to put dill in If any of you have a good recipe for dill, for using dill, let me know. Put it in the comments and send it to me, because I'll certainly try it. I've got so much stuff stored around here. I need a storage shed bad. That should go on the list. And that's a bag of salt, 40 kilos of aqua salt that put in the pool to make chlorine. I'm not sure if this little tree is gonna make it or not. It got really dry because it was sitting underneath the overhang and we didn't see it in time, but it's still got some green on it, so maybe it'll come back. All of the bougainvilleas are doing extremely good. The pool's looking really good. As you can see, the tarps over there, that's going to be our new neighbors. That's the last lot that was left in the subdivision. I don't know if you can see what their house is going to look like from here. Maybe not. But Scott's place is really coming along. It's turned into a really nice place. Joe and Ruby bought Paul's house behind us, and they're moved in and settled in and doing really well. I gotta trim these back. Make it hard to walk around the pool when you're as tall as I am. Yeah, I think from here you might be able to see what the neighbor's house is going to look like. This is going to be Tony and Lizzie's new house once they get it built. It's going to be a really nice little place. It looks good on the photo. And they've already started lining it out. That's the footprint of where they're going to be building the house. Where all these tarps are, that'll all be block walls. Not sure what color they'll go with. The other thing, I don't know if you can see it, that's been added to secure our little subdivision is we've got gates now. The electric actuators are not working at the present, but once they're done, everyone in the subdivision will get a key or a push button opener. Here we got some leftover material from our carport. I'm sure I'll figure out a use for that. Carport has been working out really well. And all of these plants that Har's planted in the ground out here are doing really well. Our little trees are slow growing, but they are growing. So here she is, trimming back some plants again now. Anything you want to say to the viewers?
No, I'm cutting this plant because it's so many.
So many of them getting too thick?
Babies. And I need to cut all of it because it looks like it's covering all the...
Can you plant any of those now that you cut them?
No, I'll throw it away.
But you could plant them if you wanted to?
Yeah, but I will not plant it. I'll just throw it away.
Okay.
It's a lot, like this. Look, I need to cut some. A lot of black ants.
Alright guys, I think this is going to end this video.
I'm still not done.
You're still not done?
Yeah.
Alright. Like and subscribe, guys.
Please.
We're just enjoying life here in the Philippines and glad to share our lives with you.
Bye.
It's almost time to put Christmas lights back up again. But overall, I think our house is really looking nice. Can't hardly see the mountains in the background because of the clouds. It's rainy season here and we're getting our share of rain, so I'm sure it's on its way again today. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.